Okay, hello everyone. This is Anita C. So we have just checked out the Shangri-La Sydney and now check into Four Seasons Sydney. As I mentioned in my last video, we will be having 3 hotel stay here. Shangri-La Sydney for 2 nights, and then Four Seasons Sydney for 2 nights, and then Marriott Sydney for 2 nights, all within very close proximity. And all the reservation, we book a suite with opera house view. So when I walk in, this is the corner room, and you already see the opera house very beautifully standing there. And then over this corner you see the harbor bridge. So in a way it is quite similar to the view at Shangri-La. Shangri-La, we stay at the 31st floor. Four Seasons Hotel is not as high as the Shangri-La, but we're staying at the 28th floor, so which has a very similar view as far as I'm concerned. We have a corner suite, and actually I think it's smaller in size because it's more like a studio concept. At Shangri-La, we do have a separate living room area and the bedroom, but you can see this is our room, and it's a corner suite, and we have lounge access and everything. Okay, so this is the welcome area with the big mirror. And then walking in on the left is actually a very spacious, very comfortable, modern designed bathroom with a big bathtub. And then that's the amenity, Kadachi in Paris. And this is the rain shower. Very good size with a makeup mirror. And this is the amenities kit, the typical Four Seasons amenities kit. And then with the fluffy bathrobes. And then this is the toilet. And again, this is the very good size, big size bathtub. So overall, the size of the bathroom is good. The hair dryer is not Dyson, but is of good quality, so that's okay. So walking out, this is the closet, which I put in our luggage and then our jacket. And then this side, they have the safety deposit box. They have the laundry bags and slips, the shopping bag, and then the slippers. So this is where they put everything handy here. And then this is the mini bar area, the bar area. They have the Nespresso machine, and they have the instruction to tell you how to do it. And then they have the kettle, and then they have a full stock crystal glass and such. Okay, with the Nespresso capsule, tea bags, chocolate, and then mini bar with snacks, and then ice bucket, and also coffee mug. And then this is the fully stocked mini bar, which they do have the price list for everything. Okay, so it's a corner suite, it's a studio concept. It's a little bit smaller in size, but it's so comfortable. You know, like the design of the, you know, the silver, the material, the fiber they use, the design and everything is at the luxury quality that I expect from Four Seasons. So this is a very, very cozy but good size living room area, and they have the binocular so you can take a closer look at the Opera House and the Harbor Bridge if you like. And then the corner setup is they have another area that you can sit here and enjoy the view for the day. You know, I really can't take my eyes off the Opera House view because it's about 5 o'clock now, so it's the best time, you know, that you see the sunset view here through this window. It's really, really amazing. And for the welcome amenity is better than the Shangri-La. For the 3 hotels I put in the happy birthday request from my husband because his birthday is actually among one of the day that we stayed this week. So they prepared the champagne with the 2 glasses and then a very nice birthday cake, and then more importantly a handwritten note with our names on. So that is what we appreciate. So as I mentioned, we have club access for the suite, so this is what we can go to on the 32nd floor for buffet breakfast, for afternoon tea and evening cocktail. We're going to check it out and we're going to show you in a bit. So I really like the design concept of even, you know, the table, you know, the cushion cover and everything. So on this side is the very comfortable bedroom, and then when you wake up, imagine you're waking up to see the Opera House. So that's how amazing this room is, because when I check in they already say, you know, we got one of the best rooms for you, welcome back. So really, really appreciate it. Okay, so that's a quick room tour of our premium club corner Opera House suite, junior suite, and we will show you more on their lunch and breakfast and evening cocktail in the next 2 days. Good morning, Sydney. This is our wake up view at Four Seasons Sydney. This is our second morning here. We'll be going out to do some sailing. It was raining last night, but this morning turns out to be okay. So this is the view to wake up to at Four Seasons Sydney.